Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel where I unbox and review budget tech products. I know I've been MIA for a bit here as I've been enjoying my PS5, but I am back with another unboxing and review for you all. What we have here is the Blackshark Goblin X2 gaming headset. Now I specifically chose these to use with my PS5 as I wanted a dedicated headset and not have to go back and forth with my PC headset. I spent a couple days testing this out, so stay a while, listen, and let's get started. So right out of the box, we have the product support info, the detachable microphone, the instruction booklet, the 7.1 surround sound controller, as well as the volume up and down for speech and music. It also came with a carrying pouch, and here is the product itself. Now I did notice a little deformed area on the headset as well as two light scuff marks on the sides of the headphones. At the time I thought maybe these were previous returns, but also could possibly have happened during the packaging of the item. The headset is made of super soft memory foam and doesn't hurt your head during extended use. The headphones themselves are of a matte black finish, except for the inner headphone area as it is made of a reflective black plastic. It does have a gunmetal accent around the headphones and the attachments, which gives it a nice contrast. It almost looks like it could have been an RGB light strip, but it wasn't. Turning this upside down, you have the area where you plug in the microphone. It also has a notch design so you can only plug in the microphone one way. Unfortunately, these headphones don't fold in on themselves, so you won't be able to collapse them if you are going to take them out for traveling. Flipping it to the top, here you can see the subtle Blackshark logo. Taking a look at the inside here, you can see the left and right side indicator markings. Next, you can adjust the length of these by pulling down on each side of the headset, and it's actually pretty long and provides additional headspace, which is good for those of you with large noggins like myself. It also doesn't feel like it's going to break if you stretch it out a little. Now here is the microphone. Again, it plugs into the headset one way, so you can't go wrong. As you can see here, I did try to plug it in the other way and it wouldn't let me. It did just take a little force to plug it in and to take it out, but for the purpose of why I bought this, I don't really plan on using the microphone all too much, so I'm just going to keep it off the headset. And then lastly here everyone, I'm just going to go ahead and plug this into the PS5 controller so you all can see how and where it plugs in. I'm going to plug in the 7.1 surround sound volume toggle, which hooks up just like this. Alright, so like I mentioned in the beginning, I've spent a couple days with this headset, and this is definitely, hands down, one of the best gaming headsets I've ever used. There's a lot to like about this headset, such as the way the headset looks. Aesthetically, it has everything I want in a gaming headset. It is subtle, and the headphones are large enough to actually go over my ears, as some manufacturers will indicate that their product is an over-the-ear headphone, however, barely goes over my ears and causes eventual discomfort through prolonged usage. The memory foam is also exceptional and helps to be super comfortable for your extended usage times. Another positive about this headset is the sound quality. Some headphones you need to use a mixer or sound enhancement app, but not this one. Right out of the box, it sounds amazing. The bass is very deep and doesn't have that reverb you hear on cheaper headsets, where the more you increase the volume, the worse the bass sounds. The treble is also super clear and is not too loud that it hurts your ears. Again, this is all right off the bat without any sound enhancers. The sound is exceptional. Lastly, this product does not feel cheap at all. It has just enough weight to it that when you hold it in your hands, it doesn't feel cheap. A lot of cheaper budget headphones are super lightweight, and only because it's usually made of all plastic. And now for the not so good parts. Since this is primarily going to be used gaming on my PS5, there is absolutely no way to control the volume directly with the headset. Since the volume control is located separately and is connected via USB, this does not work with the PS5. Using it on the PC, however, is no issue. So the only way you can control the volume using these on your PS5 is to open up the sound settings and adjust it in the main PS5 menu. Another small issue is the 7.1 surround sound. Now, I have yet to test any budget headphones that have the 7.1 surround sound gimmick that are all actually really good. Now, I understand that the 7.1 surround sound is a simulated surround sound, and obviously won't give off the same sound as an actual 7.1 surround sound speakers, or even match the more expensive headsets. But to me, that is what this is, just a gimmick. Like, it doesn't work great, but well enough to simulate a 7.1 surround sound feel. It's not bad, but it's not good either, and you can definitely live without ever activating the 7.1 surround sound feature. Lastly, the microphone sounds kinda meh. I'll read the rest of the microphone review using the microphone so you all can hear the difference. So, while the microphone does work, it doesn't sound too good, at least to me it doesn't. Yes, your voice can be heard and vice versa, but why does it sound like I'm far away or in a small cave? The microphone is literally next to my lips and I still sound like this. Again, that's just my opinion. If you don't care for how this sounds and it sounds okay to you, then yeah, it would be great for gaming. All in all, I would definitely say this product is one of the better buys for budget headphones out there. I'm actually thinking of replacing my Corsair headphones on my PC for another Blackshark headset. I mean, to me, it's just that good that I would actually buy another pair of these for that reason. Right now, these are going for about $49 with a 20% off coupon, so I'll go ahead and put a link to these in the description below. Hope you guys like this review, and the channel is slowly but steadily growing. Thank you all for the support, and thank you for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.